Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy 2 character. This time it's gonna be Zack. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking character, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're going to draw in the head shape first, and because he's wearing a hat, so we're just going to draw one line across first. And then now we're going to come down and draw almost a full circle, just come all the way down, kind of like a bow shape. Or if it's easier, you can draw like a little bracket like this first. And then round off the bottom. So it's basically like a little fishbowl. Alright, and then from here now we can draw in the details in the face. So right in the middle of this, just draw a little egg shape. This is going to be the nose. And then the inside here, just 2 little dots. And then to finish up the snout area, so just come right on top of the nose, you make a little point. And then from this point, we're going to draw a big circle coming down. Alright, so that's the snout, and then now to draw in the eyes. So I'm going to start on this one first. Just come out to the corner right here. Whatever space you have here. Let's draw a circle. On the inside here, I'm going to draw another circle. And just let me shade around it real quick. The eyes always look a little bit better after I shade it in. Alright, and then now for this side, it's got the awesome looking eye patch. So just come to the corner right here again, but this time just draw like a little egg shape. Almost slanting, kind of like at this angle. And then from here, on the bottom right here, just draw one curve right over to this eye. And then just draw another line, same thing. So that's going to be the strap for the eye patch. We'll continue these lines on this side. Okay, and then now the eye patch looks like it's got some spikes. So I'm just gonna draw a few of these triangles right here. I know it's got a lot more, but we're just gonna simplify it. Alright, and then from here, let's draw in the little cheeks. So just right underneath the eye right here on the side. Just draw a little egg shape. So come across, and this one's gonna be partly hidden by the eye patch. A little U shape. Alright, and then let's see, we'll draw in the lines later. Let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the detail up here first. So we're gonna draw his hat. We'll just extend the line here, going up. Just kind of curve in, dip it down, and just kind of connect that. Alright, so now we're gonna come up. So right at this point right here, just come up. Go all the way up. So same thing here, like a little point. And this one looks like it's got some strange detail right here. I'm not sure what it is. But we're gonna curve this out a little bit more first. And then just kind of come in toward the middle. From here, start from that point. Curve up to the same height as this line. And then on the top here, we just round it out. Alright, and let's see, he's got the little parrot right here, which is kind of cool. So just come out right here. Just draw a little circle on the dot, so that's going to be the eye. And then from here, just draw one big curve right over the eye. I know it looks really strange right now. So right here, here's the beak. From the corner, just go into the eye. And one little curve here. That's going to be the beak. And then for the rest of the body, come to this point, this curve, and it's gonna hit the hat. And then of course we're gonna draw in the wings. So just one little curve like this. Alright, so yeah, it's a very cool looking little parakeet on the top. So now let's draw in the body. For the body right here, we're gonna draw the armpit first, just come down. Flare out, and then just close it off on the bottom. And then in the middle right here, we're gonna draw two lines. So this is gonna be for a shirt. Okay, so once we have this, now we can draw in the arms. So I come right here, here's his shoulder. Just curve out. Longer curve. Let's just go ahead and finish this one up first. Okay, so one big curve, and then from the armpit right here, another big curve, connect to this and just close it off. Okay, let's go ahead and draw on this side. So one big curve from the armpit, another curve, close it off. And now for the hand, so we're gonna draw in this little thumb right here. Just come down one little hook. Here's the back of the hand. And then now we'll just extend this curve, just round it up. And if you want to add in the other fingers on the back right here, just one little curve. Alright, and then now for this side, we can draw in the hand first, but let's go ahead and finish up the legs. Okay, so we'll come down right in the middle. It's one little line, and let's draw on this side. Come straight down. And then we'll finish up this leg first. Come down, stop a little bit short, just add one little bump. Close off the bottom. Alright, so right here on this side, it's got that little wooden leg here. So we're gonna come down. Well, let's start on the inside first. We just stop a little bit short. Come down and then just close it off. Alright, and then for the little stump right here, just one long rectangle. Just stop a little bit short here because on the bottom it's just gonna be a circle. It's one little ball. Okay, so now let's draw in the hand with the sword right here. So I'm gonna start on the outside right here. Just come down. It's one little hook. So that's gonna be the thumb. from this line here, we're gonna draw the sword. Just straight across. And we'll continue this behind the thumb. Draw one more line here. Again, we're drawing the sword first. Extend it. Close it off. So we're just drawing like a little stick. Alright, and then to finish up the space right here, just close that off. And then now for the handle, so we're going to divide it up. Just one little line there, that's going to be for the handle. It's a little curve here, we'll just go all the way around. And then once you have this curve, we're going to draw one more. Just give it some thickness. Okay, and then to finish up the hand right here, just one little curve for the other fingers. So for the sword, we're going to extend it behind the back, so we just continue this line here. And that'll finish up the sword. Alright, so now to finish up the detail on the face right here, I'm going to switch to my thinner marker, or thinner sharpie. Okay, so we're going to start right underneath the nose right here. We'll just draw one line across. And then one more, so this is going to be one stripe. On the bottom here, I'm just going to draw one. Okay, so that's going to be the very bottom. And then one more up here, right on top of the nose. So just one line across. And then same thing here, just give it some thickness. And that is it for this Zack. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.